Hello everyone. We continue to show you programming products made by Macrolab IT company. Would like to remind you that Macrolab IT company creates sectoral and systematic solutions of business procedure. Today we're gonna show you a program by which we can insert pictures in Excel sheet. At first let me describe the task. We have a price list where cell phones and their corresponding parameters are shown. We need to insert appropriate photo of appropriate cell phone in front of its name using files from a common folder. Here please note that names of photos match with the names of cell phones in price list. We guess that in case of multiple quantity of such phones, the task becomes rather hard and laborious, at the same time full of probability of doing mistakes. And please see what Macrolab offers. We click on Images button at the top of the screen, and a dialog box appears. In the box named Title Row Number, we should fill the row number from where the program should start working. Here we have it, number 5. In Column Number box, we should fill the column where names of cell phones should be looked up, and in front of which appropriate photos should be inserted. It is B. In left side of dialog box we can see the formats of photos with which the program works. For the next step we click OK and the program asks us to browse the folder which includes the photos. Here would like to mention that choosing only folder will be sufficient. Then we press OK and within seconds the program finds and inserts the photos in front of appropriate names, also keeping dimensions. Please note that these photos inserted in Excel sheet will not become links. Professional framework will understand what I mean. In case we don't need these photos anymore and wish to delete them, again we click on Images button and then pressing Delete Images in Active Sheet, we delete all the photos. We think this program may help you with your daily working. To obtain it, please contact us with the shown telephone number or email address. You may also write to our Facebook page, which link you may see here too. We would be happy to answer to all your questions. Thanks for your attention. See you.